Alright, well, today I was farting around here, and about 4 or 5 days ago I junked out an old dryer. So I thought I'd make like a little Morse code thing here. See, there's the push button switch. There's the light. See there, watch. Yeah, that's what I've been doing today. Farting around, reinventing the wheel. By the way, don't touch these two contacts. They have a tendency to hurt like a bitch. But anyway, it's just an old push button out of a dryer. I couldn't get the fucking dead man switch out of the door to work yet. But I have it. See what? Yeah, my nails are painted black from Halloween. Anyway, that's it. We'll see if I can get this going.